BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, was originally started as a battery company in 1995.
BYD stormed past Tesla to become the #1 EV manufacturer on the planet. So is BYD having the last laugh?
The CEO of one of the biggest giants in the electric vehicle industry, BYD, has just announced the launch of all-solid-state batteries.
BYD launched the game changer, the BYD Blade battery.
These batteries are said to be capable of charging your car in just 10 minutes. This may sound like science fiction, but it's the next big leap in EV technology. With incredible range and lightning-fast charging, BYD is rewriting the rules of what's possible for sustainable transportation. But what does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? And how will it impact drivers around the world? Why BYD is switching to all-solid-state batteries. Before we get into why BYD is making this huge switch, we need to first understand what all-solid-state batteries are. Most batteries we use today, like the ones in phones, laptops, and electric cars, are lithium-ion batteries. These batteries have something called liquid electrolytes inside them. This liquid helps move energy around inside the battery, but these liquid electrolytes can be a bit dangerous. If the battery gets too hot, the liquid can catch fire or even explode. This is where all solid-state batteries are different. All solid-state batteries replace the liquid inside with a solid material. This means there is no liquid that can catch fire. The solid material does the same job of moving energy, but in a much safer way. This makes these batteries not only safer, but also better in many other ways. BYD made the decision to switch to all solid-state batteries because these batteries are safer and more efficient than traditional lithium-ion batteries.
Solid-state batteries need to be manufactured in extremely controlled conditions. The actual manufacturing process is also very labor-intensive, at least for right now, especially compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries.
Traditional batteries use liquid electrolytes, which can cause problems like fires or overheating. All solid-state batteries, on the other hand, use solid electrolytes. This change makes them safer and better at storing energy. The company believes this innovation will greatly improve the performance of electric vehicles, also known as EVs, and other devices that use batteries. Apart from the safety reason, another reason BYD is making this change is that all solid-state batteries are more efficient. They can store more energy in the same amount of space compared to traditional batteries. This is called higher energy density. With higher energy density, cars can drive longer distances on a single charge. Some of these new batteries can enable cars to travel more than hundreds of miles per charge, which is a huge improvement. This is especially important for people who want to use EVs for long trips without worrying about running out of power. Charging time is another area where all solid-state batteries shine. Traditional batteries can take hours to fully charge, which is inconvenient. All solid-state batteries can charge much faster, often in about 10 minutes. This is almost as quick as filling a car with gas. Faster charging makes EVs even more practical for everyday use. It means drivers can spend less time waiting and more time driving. That's not all. Besides safety and efficiency, these batteries also open new possibilities for other devices. They can be used in drones, making them lighter and able to fly longer distances. Smartphones can benefit from longer battery life and faster charging.
Xiaomi solid-state battery technology, a whole new revolutionary battery for smartphones.
Renewable energy systems can also use these batteries to store more power and distribute it when needed. This could help create a more sustainable energy future by making renewable sources like wind and solar more reliable. BYD's decision to switch to all solid-state batteries reflects its commitment to innovation and sustainability. The company sees this technology as a way to lead the EV industry and stay ahead of competitors. By improving the safety, performance, and practicality of EVs, all solid-state batteries could encourage more people to switch from gasoline-powered cars to electric ones. This change supports global efforts to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. Despite the incredible benefits and features associated with these all-solid-state batteries, like other batteries in the electronics industry, they also face certain challenges that must be addressed. Keep watching to find out what these challenges are. Challenges associated with the all-solid-state batteries. All-solid-state batteries are an exciting breakthrough in energy storage, but, like any innovative technology, they come with their own set of challenges that must be addressed before they can be widely adopted. One of the biggest obstacles is cost. Producing all-solid-state batteries is significantly more expensive than manufacturing standard lithium-ion batteries. The materials required, such as solid electrolytes, are costly and not as readily available.
It can actually pass through from the electrolyte itself. This means much higher safety and potentially much better performance, but there's other challenges.
Additionally, the processes and specialized equipment needed to produce these batteries on a large scale add to the expense. This high price makes it difficult for manufacturers to offer these batteries at competitive rates. Reducing costs is a major focus for researchers and industry experts who are exploring alternative materials and production methods. Another huge challenge is scaling up production. Currently, most all-solid-state batteries are made in research labs or small production facilities. Manufacturing a few prototypes is manageable, but producing these batteries in large quantities for global markets presents logistical and technical difficulties. Scaling up involves not only building new factories, but also refining production techniques to ensure consistent quality. Until this hurdle is overcome, the availability of these batteries will remain limited. Durability over time is another issue associated with all solid-state batteries. While all solid-state batteries are known for their high energy density, they can degrade with repeated use. Tiny cracks can form in the solid electrolyte during charge and discharge cycles, reducing the battery's performance over time. These cracks can also cause energy transfer within the battery to become less efficient. Researchers are working on creating more durable materials that can withstand repeated use without breaking down. Internal resistance is a technical problem that affects the performance of these batteries. Unlike liquid electrolytes, solid electrolytes can sometimes struggle to create a seamless connection with the other components of the battery, such as the electrodes. This can result in reduced efficiency and slower energy transfer. Scientists are experimenting with different designs and materials to improve the interface between the battery's components and reduce this resistance. Things don't end there. Temperature sensitivity is another concern. Many all-solid-state batteries perform best at higher temperatures, which is impractical for most real-world applications. For example, in cold climates, the battery's efficiency can drop significantly, making it less reliable. This limitation is a major drawback for industries like electric vehicles, where batteries need to perform consistently in all weather conditions. Engineers are focused on developing solid electrolytes and battery designs that can operate effectively across a wide range of temperatures.
Working at high pressures and high temperatures, which increases the cost of manufacturing.
There is the challenge of public and market acceptance. While the benefits of all solid-state batteries are clear to experts, convincing businesses and consumers to invest in this new technology can be difficult. Concerns about the high cost, reliability, and unfamiliarity with the technology may discourage widespread adoption. Companies will need to demonstrate the long-term advantages of these batteries, such as reduced maintenance and greater safety, to build trust and confidence. Despite this problem, BYD is still willing to take the step of innovation by incorporating all solid-state batteries into its ecosystem. Let's find out how these batteries contribute to the company's legacy. How all solid-state batteries contribute to BYD's legacy of innovation. BYD has always been known for innovation. The company is constantly finding ways to improve its products, reduce environmental harm, and make advanced technologies more accessible. All solid-state batteries are the latest addition to BYD's growing list of breakthroughs. These batteries have the potential to reshape the industry and reinforce BYD's position as a pioneer in sustainable transportation and energy solutions. One way all solid-state batteries contribute to BYD's legacy is by offering a safer alternative to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Safety has always been a huge concern in the energy storage and electric vehicle industries. Lithium-ion batteries, while widely used, come with risks such as overheating and fires. BYD has already made strides in improving battery safety with its Blade battery, which greatly reduces fire hazards. Now, with all solid-state batteries, BYD takes safety a step further. By replacing the liquid electrolytes in traditional batteries with solid electrolytes, the risk of short circuits and thermal runaway is nearly eliminated. This makes all solid-state batteries a game changer for electric vehicles, where safety is a top priority for consumers and regulators alike. Like we mentioned earlier, another major benefit of these batteries is their higher energy density. BYD has always focused on creating efficient energy solutions, and all solid-state batteries align perfectly with this goal. These batteries can store more energy in the same amount of space compared to traditional batteries. For example, some all-solid-state batteries have the potential to provide ranges exceeding 600 miles, a significant improvement over current lithium-ion batteries. By adopting this technology, BYD can address one of the biggest concerns of EV buyers' range anxiety. Longer ranges make electric vehicles more practical and appealing, helping BYD attract more customers and encourage the shift from gasoline-powered cars to EVs.
No company makes or sells more than BYD.
Wait, there's more. In addition to longer ranges, all solid-state batteries also enable faster charging times. Charging an electric vehicle can take several hours with current technology, which can be inconvenient for many drivers. All solid-state batteries, however, can be charged much more quickly, sometimes in as little as 10 minutes. This makes owning an electric vehicle more convenient and comparable to the quick refueling times of traditional gas-powered cars. BYD's commitment to improving user experience is evident in its adoption of this technology, as it directly addresses one of the most common barriers to EV adoption. These batteries also contribute to BYD's legacy by making electric vehicles more environmentally friendly. Sustainability is at the core of BYD's mission, and all solid-state batteries align with this vision. The improved efficiency and durability of these batteries mean fewer resources are needed to produce and replace them over time. They also have the potential to reduce reliance on harmful materials like cobalt, which is often associated with environmental and ethical concerns during mining. By exploring sustainable alternatives, BYD can minimize its environmental footprint while leading the industry toward greener practices. The versatility of all solid-state batteries also enhances BYD's innovation. While they are primarily discussed in the context of electric vehicles, these batteries have applications beyond the automotive industry. BYD is a leader in renewable energy storage solutions, and all solid-state batteries can be used to store energy from solar panels and wind turbines more efficiently. They also have potential uses in devices like drones, smartphones, and medical equipment. By integrating this technology into multiple sectors, BYD can expand its influence and continue to shape the future of energy. All solid-state batteries also support BYD's commitment to global carbon reduction efforts. As governments worldwide implement stricter emissions regulations, automakers must innovate to meet these standards. BYD has always been ahead of the curve, offering solutions that not only comply with regulations, but exceed them. By adopting all solid-state batteries, BYD can produce vehicles that are more efficient, reliable, and sustainable, helping countries transition to cleaner energy systems. This aligns with BYD's broader mission of creating a better future through green technology. Finally, the introduction of all solid-state batteries shows BYD's role as a trendsetter in the industry. As one of the first major companies to adopt this technology, BYD is setting an example for others to follow. Its willingness to embrace cutting-edge solutions reinforces its reputation as a leader in innovation. Other companies look to BYD for inspiration, and its success with all solid-state batteries could accelerate the adoption of this technology across the industry. As we look at these amazing changes in the car industry, it's clear we're entering an exciting new era. Traditional engines and electric vehicles are making huge strides, each offering unique benefits. These new, advanced engines could one day surpass electric vehicles, providing the convenience of traditional cars with the eco-friendliness we need.